Now, protests broke out in New York on Friday as Bangladesh's interim chief advisor Mohammad Yunus addressed the United Nations General Assembly. Members of the Bangladeshi diaspora in the United States gathered outside the UN headquarters, raising slogans like "Yunus is Pakistani, go back to Pakistan." Later, they accused Yunus of bias and poor governance, alleging that atrocities against minorities in Bangladesh, particularly Hindus, have been on the rise under his watch. Protesters said Yunus was working in collusion with Islamist forces and radical groups, systematically turning Bangladesh into what they called a semi-Taliban nation.
We are here today in front of United Nations protest against Dr. Yunus, who is making Bangladesh a Taliban country, a terrorist country, and he is doing all the atrocities against the Hindus, Buddhists, Christians, and all religious minorities. We are protesting here the atrocities against the religious minorities, and we demand the release of the religious priest Chinmoy Krishna Das, who Dr. Yunus just unlawfully keep in the jail.
I happen to be the president of Bangladeshi Hindu, Buddhist and Christian Unity Council, and I'm also an advisor to the United Hindus of USA, which is the chief organizer of today's rally here. The purpose of the rally is very simple. The democratically elected secular democratic government of Bangladesh was ousted, led by Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, was illegally ousted on August 5, 2024. Since then, in collusion with the Islamist forces, namely Hizb ut-Tahrir, Al-Qaeda al-Sharqiya in Hind, IS, and all those Islamic terrorists, all these international, transnational terrorist organizations, Dr. Yunus is bartering Bangladesh away to the Pakistani ISI and international Islamic terrorist groups. He's here with his full contingent of 104 Taliban forces with him.
The demonstrations in New York also highlighted Yunus's strained ties with India after he accused India of sheltering Hasina, a move that further soured bilateral relations.